Okay, hi. Today we are going to learn arithmetic progression. Okay, so basically, this is a series or sequence. You can say series and or sequence. What is series or sequence? Series or sequence is basically numbers which follow one pattern, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can guess what is the next number, right? Similarly, you can like this 3, 6, 9, 12. You can guess what is the fifth term because it is all multiple of 3. This is what it is all natural number. So this is known as series or a sequence. So what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a series or a sequence whose difference of any two consecutive number is same. Difference of any two consecutive numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an AP. How? If you take 2 minus 1, this is 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. Got it? So, arithmetic progression is a series or a sequence whose difference of any two consecutive number is always same. Not necessarily 1, but same. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here, 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Got it? So this is the concept of arithmetic progression. Now we will find how to find the numbers. Basically there are 5 things in arithmetic progression. There are 5 things. Sometimes we need to guess whether the series is in arithmetic progression or not. So what we need to check? We need to check whether the difference is same or not. This difference is called as common difference. Or short form you can say CD. And it is denoted by D. Most of the books it is D. Common difference is D. Okay. Got it? So let us say there are basically 5 things in arithmetic progression which we need to find out. What are those? A. First term of any sequence is known as A. This is what? First term. Right? D. You already know this. Common difference. N. N is basically what? Number of total terms. How many terms are there in a series? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. If the series contains only these 4 numbers, then my n is 4. If it is 5, 5. Right? Then an or tn. In some books it is written as an, in some books it is written as tn. This is what? The general term of an AP. We will see how to find it. General term or nth term. Right? And the fifth one is Sn. Sn is basically what? Sum of n terms. Okay, we will see this later. First, we will get to know all these things. A, D, N, A, N, and T. Okay, let's see. So suppose my number is, or sequence is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's say very simple example. Okay. So what is A here? A is 2, first term, or you can write it like T1, term 1. Then my T2 is what? 4. T3 is 6. T4 is 8. T5 is 10. So there are how many terms? 5 terms. So we can say n is equal to 5 number of terms. Now D. What is D? D we can always find out like T2 minus T1, which is what? 4 minus 2. Correct? Any two consecutive number. D can be T3 minus T2, 6 minus 4. Don't take it as reverse, means T2 minus T3. Always the second minus first, third minus second, fourth minus third, like this. Right? Got it? A, N and D. A is what? The first number. N is what? Total number of terms here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And D is what? The common difference. Okay. Now we will find the general term. Okay. So now we have seen that T2 minus T1. What is this? This is a common difference, D. Now T1 is what? A. We have taken T1 as A. So what is my T2? T2 is A plus D. Remember this. Okay. Now what is T3 minus T2? Again two consecutive numbers. So this should be also D. So what is T3? T3 is T2 plus D. But what is T2? A plus D. So it is what? A plus 2D. Right? Let us calculate T4. T4 minus T3, same way. There is a common difference D. T4 is what? T3 plus D. So it will become A plus 2D plus D, which is A plus 3D. Right? So look at the pattern. My T1 was A. My T2 is A plus D. There is only one D here. Then T3 is A plus 2D. Now 2 has come. T4 is A plus 3D. So whichever term we are taking, it is always that term minus 1 into D. A is same everywhere. So what we can write? We can write general term Tn as A plus n minus 1 into D. Got it? Tn or An you can also say. This is the general most common term Tn, but in some books An is also written. So from this formula we can find any term of the sequence. We need to know what? We need to know yes A, D. So suppose if somebody asks you find the 12th term, suppose these are all extra. So find the 12th term. 12th term means T12. T12 will be what? A plus 11D, one less. Okay. So A is my 2, 11. What is D here? D will be 2. So 2 plus. This is my 12th term. Got it? In this way we can find out Tn, A, N, D. 4 things we have already completed. Got it? Now we will do some problems.